Well, let's show you this antique Pratt ware Roman ruins number 123. Now 123 isn't specific to the actual design. This is Pratt ware from 1820s through to around 1840s. This is a short Comport stand, or what quite often is referred to as a Tazza stand. It's actually a Comport stand. It's not a flat surface plate. This was used as part of a dinner service or dessert service for bringing things to table, and they would have been tiered in a variety of different sizes. This is quite a short one. They did make longer stemmed ones than this. Hollow base, as you can see. Beautiful old font there, number 123. No Pratt ware actual factory stamps or impress marks for this one, but it's in very nice antique condition. There are a few condition notes we need to bring your attention to. Firstly being the surface, a little bit of staining, as you can see here, and around the inner rim detailing. It's basically an earthenware creamware which has been decorated and then overglazed. There is also a historic and antique tiny little rim chip somewhere. Let me just see if I can find that. It really is quite tiny. There we go, just under there, you can see that. It is on the underside. You don't feel that or see it at all from the top side, and mostly this piece would be displayed on a dresser as such. But it's a rare piece of china, this, in the Roman ruins design, which is very sought after and collected. And the actual plate surface with this neoclassical repeating design around the outer rim is very, very well sought after, really well collected. The base plate is hollow, as you can see, quite short, with a recess in here where it has been completely glazed over again. A little bit of staining on the undersurface here with some glaze crazing, a little bit of cracking through some of the glaze on the surface, which has taken up some stain, but absolutely everything that you would expect for a piece of 1820s Pratt ware. They became very famous for the pot lids that they manufactured en masse, and most of their production in the later period was for that pot lid production that they produced. But in the early stages, 1820s to 1840s, they were producing these dessert services in this very neoclassical design before the sort of floral Victoriana and more floral heavily coloured designs took over and became more popular. So a Comport stand, all the measurements are on the website. Pratt's number 123, Roman ruins, and in very nice antique collector's condition. Thanks for watching.